Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today we are touring a Disney Vacation Club studio room at the Polynesian Resort. We hope you enjoy the video. So as you come in here, you're immediately greeted with the restroom. Hello. And it's really well done. You can tell that it's recently remodeled. These rooms are recently constructed, I should say. And there's a mermaid picture there. I think those are the mermaids from Peter Pan. If they're not, we'll just say they are, but anyway, it's really nice artwork there. And then they've got the shower curtain, really bright Polynesian style colors. So this is the bathroom toilet area with one shower here. And then there are plenty of closet space areas. Before we go into the main room, there's actually also a door that leads into an adjoining room. So if you get adjoining rooms, I believe you can book those together, and that would be where you would enter the other room. But these are all studios. They don't have any of the grand villas or one bedroom or two bedroom rooms in this particular DVC resort. They do have the bungalows, of course, which are out on the water, but these are the regular, more standard vacation club rooms. So here's another shower here, which is really nice. Kind of a glass door there. It looks like it comes down from the roof there, kind of like a rain shower, so that's cool. And you've got another sink there. So even though this room sleeps 5 people, you've got 2 showers, which is really cool because most standard rooms only have 1 shower. So now let's take a look at the main area of the room. There's the master bed, which I believe is a queen size bed. Got Mickey and Minnie there, that's really cool. And then you've got a sofa which pulls out into a sleeper. So the main bed there will sleep 2, and then this one will sleep 2 when it's pulled out. You've got a coffee table. The pack and play doesn't come with the room, but I have one of those myself, and that was the Bruce family was so nice to let us stay here. So there's a balcony out here which has a really great view of the pool. I believe this is the DVC pool. And there you can see the great ceremonial house in the background. At least it's a little warmer today. It's been really cold. Even though it's cloudy, at least it's a little warmer, so that's nice. Then over here you have a little table and a mirror. And this is one of the really cool things here. This pulls out into a bed. So that's really amazing. There's even a light in there, and you can see Lilo and Stitch. Really cool there. Actually, the reflection almost looks like the moonlight there, so that's really neat. But it's a lot better than a rollaway bed because it actually folds right back up into the console there when you're finished with it, and it's out of the way. So this room actually comfortably seats 5, or sleeps 5, I should say. And you've got the Polynesian decor on that, and of course a really nice big TV. And I forgot to mention this earlier, but there is a really nice kitchenette here. So you've got a microwave, kitchen sink, got a coffee maker, a toaster, and even a little mini fridge, and some storage area down there as well. So it's nice to have the little kitchenette area so that you can make yourself a snack, coffee, a little breakfast, whatever you need, and it's always nice to have that fridge. We used to actually eat breakfast in the room just to save money, and it's nice to have the fridge. You can have milk or orange juice or whatever you want. So little kitchenette. So that is the end of the tour of the studio room here at the Polynesian DVC Resort. And now we're going to go down and take a look at the pool area. And this is the DVC only pool area, so you have to be a DVC member staying here to go to this pool. So we'll take a look at that. All right, so here we are in the DVC pool area. So you've got a beautiful view of some of the buildings here around the resort. Great ceremonial house is back there, just so you can get your bearings. And there's a little place to eat here, which is really nice. Nice sitting area there in front of the restaurant. And apparently, they have something at this Oasis restaurant/bar. And it's called the Frosty Pineapple, and that is a Dole Whip with rum in it. So that sounds actually really good. So let's take a look here. You can see the seating area at the bar. We'll take a look at the menu here in just a second. There's the drink menu. And they also have the Oasis Grill. And during slower times, what they'll do is they'll actually serve you at the table or at the bar. But during busier times, they have the window open, so they've got hamburgers and other grill type items here that you would expect at a counter service restaurant. And then as you look back to the back of the pool area, you'll see these cabanas. There's 3 of them here, it looks like, and you can rent those. You want to rent those for a certain part of the day. So looks like they've got couches in there and all kinds of stuff. Let's take a look. So this is a look a little bit closer at one of the cabanas, and you can see they've got nice chairs and a couch and a table here where you can enjoy your favorite beverage, and they've got the Oasis Bar and Grill menu there. And you can see, it says here you can call 407 WDW Play if you want to reserve this space. So you can't just sit here, you've got to reserve it. And while we're here, let's take a look at the menu for the Oasis Grill. You can see they've got their starters, entrees, and all kinds of stuff. I'll open it up there and you can see they've got, of course, as you'd expect at a bar, a lot of great drinks, cocktails, beers, all kinds of different things. And even some wine down there. So we're back to the building where the room was that we toured. We believe it's Tokelau. This is just one of the 3 DVC buildings here at the Polynesian. And you can see it's also in the longhouse style, just like the other buildings. So it's really visually indistinguishable from the other buildings in the resort, but it is newer and again houses all DVC rooms. All right, guys, well, that wraps up our tour of the Polynesian DVC studio rooms. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we want to thank Jeff and the rest of the Bruce family for letting us tour their room. So thank you very much, Jeff.
That was nice.
And also, we want to ask you to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, as well as WindowRepairParts.us. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.